Today I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Smartsheet. This is a fundamental skill that'll help you organize and expand your spreadsheets as your project needs grow. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you've got your login details ready so you can access your workspace without any delays. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Smartsheet homepage. This is where all your existing files and sheets are displayed. Take a moment to browse through your sheets and locate the specific one where you want to add a new column. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open. This might take a few seconds depending on the size of your sheet, so just give it a moment to fully load. Now that your sheet is open, here's where the magic happens. Look at the header row where all your column titles are displayed. Right-click on any existing column header. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several options for managing columns. From this menu, you'll see two key options, Insert Column Left and Insert Column Right. The choice between these two options depends entirely on where you want your new column to appear. If you select Insert Column Left, the new column will be added to the left side of the column you right-clicked. If you choose Insert Column Right, it'll appear on the right side. This gives you complete control over your sheet's layout and organization. Once you click your preferred option, the new column will be inserted immediately. You can then click on the column header to rename it and start adding your data right away. This flexibility makes it incredibly easy to adapt your spreadsheet structure as your project evolves. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a new column to your Smartsheet, giving you more space to organize your information exactly how you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.